go.
How you doing? How you doing, man? What's going on tonight? You're not sure? How'd your car end up over here? Okay. Were you going westbound on Reed Canal and did you lose control? I'm just trying to figure out how the vehicle got over here.
I just want to go home.
Okay. Is she in the call already?
No, we haven't even talked to her.
Okay. Can you tell me what's going on?
No, it doesn't matter.
Do you have your driver's license on you?
Yes, can I call my boyfriend, please?
Not right now. In a minute. What's your last name?
Can I please call my boyfriend?
I'll let you call him in a minute. Just hang tight for a minute. What's your first name? Middle initial?
A.
Date of birth? Alright, good phone number for you?
I just moved here.
Okay. Where were you coming from tonight?
My house.
And where are you going now?
To Daytona.
To go where? To your boyfriend's? Where?
To my house.
Okay. Well, you just said you were coming from your house.
To my house.
Okay, and so you were at your house and you were going back to your house?
I'm going from the doghouse to my house.
Okay, so you're at the doghouse. Okay.
Yep.
Alright. So, right now, I'm just waiting
Can I please call my boyfriend?
No.
You back asked her how much she had to drink tonight, and her response was, "That's why I parked."
Yep.
I know you're arresting me, so just do it.
Hold on. Alright, so if you can go ahead and stand up and come over to the sidewalk. Ma'am, if you can come to the sidewalk for me.
Really?
Yep. Are you able to stand?
No, curse.
Sidewalk. Did evac already check her? Yeah. Alright. You want to just lay the tape out real quick? Yeah. Can you please state your full name? I need you to pay attention, okay?
My name is Stop!
Alright, well, if you continue that, you're going to be charged with resisting. Do you understand? Just turn around, pay attention to what he's saying, and we'll take it from there, alright? We're just trying to figure out, what we're trying to do is determine if you've been drinking tonight, alright? So, turn around, we just want to talk to you for a little bit. Alright, I'm conducting a criminal investigation. Your voice and actions are being recorded for court presentations by Officer Michelin. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes!
Alright.
I didn't understand. You're a fucking asshole.
Alright. Are you willing to submit to field sobriety tests? Yes or no?
Nope.
No? Alright.
There's already no.
Are you willing to submit to a breath test? I'm not going to leave you alone. Are you going to submit to a breath test?
Nope.
Nope. Alright. You are under arrest.
Yeah, but I already know.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Dude, you don't. Asshole. You don't.
Stop.
Asshole, dude.
Alright, stop. So I can adjust your
I'm
cuffs.
not doing anything to you.
You are. Alright?
I'm not.
Just calm down.
No, I'm not.
Calm down. Let me adjust your cuffs so they're not tight, okay? I'm trying to help you.
No, you're not. You're doing anything.
Over here. We're gonna cross the road. Are you gonna walk?
No, you're a fucking dick, dude. No, you're a fucking asshole. No, you're a fucking asshole. Stop. No. Stop. Oh, you're a fucking asshole, dude.
Stop.
Dude, you're dick, dude.
You're trying.
Why are you being like this to me?
Alright.
No, you're searching me for what? Got nothing.
I have to search before you go into my vehicle.
Go ahead. You wait like f***ing
Alright. Step over here. Step over here.
no.
Alright. Why are you making it so much difficult?
No, because you're
Stop.
an asshole,
You're making it so
dude.
difficult.
You're a dick, dude. You're a dick. I didn't do anything to you.
I'm trying to do my job.
No, you're not. You're an asshole. You're a f***ing asshole, dude. Asshole. I didn't do anything to you.
Just search her real quick. Put her in
You're
the
so. I don't anything.
You got her?
Yeah, you got me for what? Nothing.
You're making this way harder than it needs to be.
No, you're not. You're. What the fuck? Go ahead. Ow! 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 Stop! Hurt! Stop! Stop! Ow! Ow! Stop! Ow! Ow! Stop! You hurt. Ow!
You just stop resisting.
That's
And we're done.
Dude. Dude. Stop, please. No. Ow. Oh, stop.
Do you have anything
Stop.
on you?
Ow.
Persistent. Do you have anything on you?
Please don't. Don't. Ow. Please. Don't. Please.
You just need to make
Ow.
sure. You just need to make sure. Stop it. Stop it.
Oh, it hurts. No, it hurts. Ow. Ow. It hurts.
You gonna sit in?
Please take,
Sit in the vehicle.
Please
Sit in the
take
vehicle.
that.
Sit in the vehicle.
please take that off.
Sit in the vehicle.
Please take that off, man.
I need you to take your shoes off, okay?
Keith, please.
I'm gonna give you one more shot at cooperating, okay?
Sorry.
Alright.
Please. Ow. Please. Ow.
I need you to take a deep breath for me, okay? Can you take a deep breath? How do these come off?
Ow. Ow.
There's a zipper on it. It's like on the inside though. I'm like trying to keep my face away from it.
Oh, please. Please take those cuffs off. Please.
No.
Yeah, they hurt.
Yeah, they also keep you from
Please.
kicking me for a
I'm
third
not
time.
gonna do anything. Please.
Alright, are you gonna sit in there?
Please.
Put your feet in.
Ow.
Sit in.
Please.
No!
Oh.
In the
I'm
car.
not. Ow.
Sit in the
Ow.
vehicle.
Ow.
One last chance, or else
I'm
I'm
not
gonna force
doing
you.
anything. Please
Sit in or I'm going to make you sit in.
Please take the water. I can't.
Okay.
Ow!
Yeah. We're gonna head over there. Come on.
He's over here.
Alright. If I take those off, are you gonna try and kick me again?
No, man.
Alright, so swing your feet out for me. Lift it 1 foot up as high as you can.
I can't. I can't.
Hey,
Oh,
I'm trying to take it off for you, okay?
Oh, they hurt. Oh, they hurt.
Alright, I gotta try to take this one off now, okay?
Do anything. I promise. I promise.